In this tutorial we will explain how to use grep function for parsing text. Grep is a Linux command line tool used to search for a string of characters in a specified file. The grep command is handy when searching through large text files. Here you can see multiple chromosome bed files with different information, including chromosome name start and end coordinates along with gene names. The grep function is an excellent tool to find the important text out of large files. There are more than 100,000 lines in each file, and we want to find specific gene information out of all these chromosomes. Now let's move to our terminal to see how it can be done. It's very simple and easy. You just type grep and text you want to find out of all files and save it into another file. Here, for example, we are looking for all the lines that contain information related to TBX3 gene in all bed files. So, we just write grep then the text and then select all bed files using * command and save it into the tbx3.txt file. You can see that the saved file contains all the lines related to TBX3 gene. Now you can play around with text and see how you can get different outputs. For example, here if I remove 3 from TBX and see what will be the result. The result actually will contain all the gene names which include TBX. Here, we can see that there are two types of TBX gene. One is TBX3 and the other is TBX21. So, that's how it works. I would suggest the viewers to use their own files and try to find their information of interest from large files. I hope this small tutorial will help the beginners to understand the basics of grep function. Have a nice day.